Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So most people solve this question like 20 divided by 5 is equal to 4. Then again 20 divided by 5 is equal to also 4. Now 4 divided by 4 is equal to 1. But this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. Okay. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. Okay. PEMDAS, PEMDAS. P means parenthesis, E means exponents, M means multiplication, D means division, A means addition, and S means subtraction. First priority is parenthesis, then second priority is exponents, then third priority is multiplication and division, fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right, and also addition and subtraction both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay, so is equal to, so here is division, and here also is division. All have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. So first we have to solve this division. 20 divided by 5 is equal to 4. Divide by 5, sorry, 4 divided by 20 divided by 5. Okay. So now 4 divided by 20 can be written as 4 by 20 divided by 5. Okay. So 20 divided by 4 is equal to 5, and 4 divided by 4 is equal to 1. So 1 by 5 divided by 5. Okay. Now according to KCF rule, K means keep, C means change, and F means flip. So keep this first fraction 1 by 5 as it is same. Change this sign from division to multiplication and flip this last fraction 1 by 5. Okay. So 1 multiply 1 is equal to 1. 5 multiply 5 is equal to 25. So 1 by 25 is the correct answer. Okay. If you like this problem, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.